Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the measure of trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the problem. The given problem is if secant theta equal to 13 by 5, then show that 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta equal to 3. So the secant theta ratio is given 13 by 5. From that we need to find the value for this expression, that is equal to 3. So we know that secant theta equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. So it is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So the reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta, that is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. So that is equal to 13 by 5. Is given as 13 by 5. That is hypotenuse is 13, adjacent side is 5. Now we will construct the triangle so that we can go for further process. So in this triangle is named as ABC. The angle available at B. We can draw any triangle with anything, but it should be a right angle triangle, and it's the naming may be different. The angle also can be kept different. Here also we can keep the angle, but here the angle is kept at B. Accordingly, this opposite side adjacent side automatically changes, right? So this is the one model. We can go for another model also by keeping the theta here. So let us consider the triangle, right angle triangle named as ABC, and angle theta is available at B. So angle theta available means automatically this is the opposite side of the angle theta. AC is the opposite side. So this is automatically adjacent side of angle theta, AB. So BC is the hypotenuse, right? So opposite to the theta is opposite side of angle A. Another side automatically adjacent side of angle theta. The remaining BC is the hypotenuse. So from this given value, secant theta equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent side, that is BC by AB. Hypotenuse is BC, adjacent side is AB. So BC equal to 13. Hypotenuse value is 13. Adjacent side AB is 5. Right? These two values we got from the given secant theta value. But in order to find the sin theta, cos theta, we need to find this expression that is equal to 3. We need to show that. So in order to find sin theta, we need the opposite side also, AC value. That AC value can be calculated from the Pythagoras theorem. Right? Pythagoras theorem is what is that? Hypotenuse. BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. From that, AC equal to square root of BC square minus AB square. Right? So this BC is AB is brought in that side, so that what we need AC, that is written. The expression is written in terms of AC. Normal expression is BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. So that AC equal to BC square minus AB square. So BC value, hypotenuse is 13 square. AB opposite side 5 square. 13 square is 169, 5 square is 25. So 169 minus 25 is 144. So square root of 144 is 12. So AC is 12. Opposite side AC is now 12. So now we got the value of opposite side also. AC equal to is 12 by using the Pythagoras theorem. Right? So now we know the value of opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. So from that we can easily calculate sin theta and cos theta, so that we can prove this expression. We can show this expression. Now we'll go to find the sin theta as well as cos theta, so that we can show the expression. So sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, AC by BC. AC is 12, BC is 13. 12 by 13. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB by hypotenuse BC, that is 5 divided by 13, right? So this opposite side only we calculated 12. right? This hypotenuse to 13 is already given in the problem. Secant theta equal to 13 by 5. This adjacent side also given, right? So sin theta equal to 12 by 13, cos theta is 5 by 13. From the triangle we calculated these two values. Now we can substitute in this value. Left hand side, LHS equal to 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta. Now we'll substitute the value. 2 sin theta, 2 into sin theta is 12 by 13 minus 3 into cos theta 5 by 13 divided by 4 into sin theta 4 into 12 by 13 minus 9 into cos theta 9 into 15 by 3, right? Now we substituted all the values. We will see what is the value we got. We will go for simplification, right? So 12 into 2 into 12, 24 by 13, 3 into 5, 15 by 13, 4 into 12, 48 by 13, 9 into 5, 45 by 13, right? So here 24 by 13 minus 15 by 13, we can take 13 common LCM, so that 24 minus 15 by 13. Similarly here 48 by 13 minus 45 by 13, we will take the 13 common, so 48 minus 45, right? Denominator all values are equal, 13 only, right? So 24 divided by 15 is 9. 48 divided by minus 45 is 3. This 13 got cancelled. This 13 got cancelled. So 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is 3. So this is a given in the problem. We have to show that the value of this expression should be 3. So we showed that. We proved that the value is 3. Right? So in this problem, the secant theta value is given. Secant theta is the hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. From that we constructed the triangle. By using Pythagoras theorem, one more value of the side, that is opposite side, is calculated. So that we come to know the value of opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse, 3 values. From that we calculated the sin theta value and cos theta value. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So after got the sin theta and cos theta value, here substituted in this expression. Sin theta value and cos theta value substituted and simplified. Finally we got that it is 9. That is, we need to prove that this expression, the value of this expression should be 3. That is, that value we got, right? We show that the expression value is 3. We proved that. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.